dancers on stage, okay? Pilla, నువ్వు ఎక్కడికన్నా నా పల్లా చెప్పాలి ముద్దుకున్నా మాయదారి పిల్ల ఈ పవన్ అడ్రస్ గుండె జిల్లా కొద్ది తానే బలగలినాను సంతోని సిగ్నలే ఫాలో చేసినట్టు నిన్నునే ఫాలో చేస్తూ ఉంటాను my ears are still rocking. What a performance. Did you enjoy it? Louder! Thank you. Good evening. My name is Ram and I'm going to be your first host for today evening. And it's an absolute pleasure to have all of you with us. And I have the pleasure and privilege of inviting my co-host, the beautiful, the elegant, the debonair, Christina.
Thanks, Ram. Good evening, H2. I hope you're having a nice time. Can be better than that. I hope you're having a nice time. Yay! Fantastic. A very warm welcome to Star Night 2016. We would like all of us to enjoy this evening, which is going to be the most dazzling, glittering, marvelous, and flamboyant event of the year. The Star Night 2016 of GSC H2.
Absolutely, Tina. So today, we are going to honor those of us who worked so hard amongst us and made that cutting-edge difference to our year that went by, 2016. And they would be the stars of 2016. And it's an absolute pleasure that all of you are here to honor them. May I have the pleasure of welcoming our Center Director, Hyderabad Center Director, Neeti Mahajan, on stage.
H2, can you hear me? I can't hear you. You can do better than this. Okay, so starting the event, firstly let me start by saying I am not new to the GSCs and I'm not new to Hyderabad. So I'm quite proud to say that actually I started in GSC Hyderabad 2 some 15 years ago. So it feels like I'm coming back home and I'm super excited about taking on this role. So thank you. And tonight, I think it's all about celebrating a lot of success that I think all the teams have been working very hard for 2016, and it's an opportunity for all of us to come together, enjoy, celebrate, and I think have fun. And of course, I am just 3 weeks new into this position. Don't want to miss the opportunity to call Samir on the stage. And of course, he has been managing and leading this team for the entire year. So big hand.
So Neeti moved 2 steps forward, Samir moves 2 steps backwards. Thank you, Neeti. Thank you, GSCH2, for giving me this final opportunity. I would not want to walk away without saying huge thank you to each one of you for allowing me to living my dream for last 3 years. It's been absolutely dream journey for me. I absolutely owe a huge thanks to each one of you for saying good morning, good evening. It's been absolutely filled with genuine smiles. So thank you. I had a great journey, as I said, for last about 3 years. I made every effort possible to make this a better place. I gave it my 100%, and I know you gave it 200% every time I called upon you. So before I leave the stage, as always, my final message, for the last time in Hindi, right? I cannot leave the stage without my final Hindi thing. So this is my message to you, H2. हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए। हंगामा खड़ा करना मकसद नहीं था मेरा, कोशिश ये थी कि सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। मेरे सीने में ना सही, तेरे सीने में सही, मेरे सीने में ना सही, तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Okay, so I guess this is the point where I hand it to you and then disappear. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Neeti,
Thank you.
and thank you, Samir, for those wonderful words. Over to you, Ram.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome to all of you, to Neeti, to Samir, to Subir Mehra who's just joined us. Thank you for joining us, and all the senior dignitaries and all of you who made the time to come here today evening to honor those who are being felicitated today.
Ram, tonight, as we look ahead into the evening, I take immense pride in all those nominees and winners who will walk this ramp with their head held high, who believe that success is not final. It is the courage to continue that counts. These are people who always believed in themselves unquestionably and put their heart, mind and soul in every little thing they did.
Absolutely right, Tina. These were the people who believed that if there's no door, just build one and just make your way right into where the action is. And ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, what you need to understand about today evening, that this is about you. Can we have a big hand, please? This is about all of you who made this place a great place to work. The people who made this place a great place to work in 2016. So thank you for now, and right now, before we kickstart this process, may we request our next set of hosts, Kenneth, to please come forward, and
Anita to join us on stage. We leave you in their safe hands. Enjoy the evening.
thank you.
Good evening, H2. I'm Kenneth.
Hello H2, I'm Anita.
Anita, you are as beautiful as always.
Thank you Kenny, let's move on.
All right. I try.
It's time to recognize the stars among us who have done exceptionally well this year. We start with the first set of awards from the award category, Star of the Business Service. This is a special recognition to all those GCB 7 and 8 colleagues from across all business service areas.
And to give away the awards, may I please request Subir Mehra and Smitha Nigam on stage, please. Come on, guys, cheer up.
We will announce the nominations first and then announce the winner. We request all the nominees to be on stage. Can we have respective VPs to come on the stage, please? The first set of nominations from FCC. The first nominee is G. Santosh Kumar.
Can we have Santosh on stage, please?
The second nominee is Shweta Janak. And the third nominee is Fiza Sandra John.
Lauren, should we take the award ourselves? Where is your team? Is the bar open? All right, so let's move on. The winner.
The winner is Fiza Sandra John.
Lauren, can you take it on our behalf? Can I request the line manager or the AVP to please come upstairs on the stage and collect the award on their behalf? You're going to take the award. Stay here.
Sumit, can you come up please and take the award? Raghu, come up.
This is how we fucking party.
Ideally, Lauren, can you stay back? Can you stay back? Ideally, we would like to have all the winners on stage for a group picture. I know, but still, it doesn't matter. Can you stay back, please?